Today I'm making a super flavorful haddock coconut curry. So to start, I heated up some olive oil in a pan, cooked some onions in there, added some garlic and fresh ginger, and then curry paste and red pepper flakes. So get that nice and coated and then add some bell pepper, salt, and black pepper. Mix that all together, and then I'm adding some seafood stock or broth. And then I'm going to add some coconut milk and make that nice and creamy. Then I'm adding in my haddock fillets and getting those nice and coated with that sauce. Then I'm gonna take out the fish fillets and add in a cornstarch slurry to help that sauce thicken up. Add the spinach, which wilts pretty quickly, then adding the fish back in. Then to serve, I'm serving it on top of some rice, and then I'm going to garnish with some green onion, some cilantro, and some lime wedges. This is a super tasty dish, and it's really pretty simple to come together.